time I hear a gospel song, I am made strong. There is joy in my heart and soul. Nothing compares to it. I can feel His presence in my life every time I hear a gospel song. I am made strong. I love to hear gospel country songs all day long. I love to hear the song like the old rugged cross. And when I think about His amazing grace, brings a smile to my face. I love to hear gospel country songs